Welcome. In front of me I have Hama Fit Watch 5000 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. So first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and if you see it, press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen and look for the settings icon. Once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings, and here scroll down and look for the option called General. And once you find it, tap on it, and then find the reset option, select it, and then tap on the check mark to confirm and start the resetting process. And now let's wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see this message on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.